updated version of Project 2 of Cape Cod Scrapbooking Workshop. If you love this workshop, then please go to dorothy.closetomyheart.com and it can be yours, and you can watch me to see how easy it is to put together. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I'm back again. This time I'm doing Project 2 of the Cape Cod Scrapbooking Workshop. So this is the smaller version of what we're going to do here. And let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is these are 2 die cuts that I went ahead and punched out already. And I am going to pull out my paint box again. And get my white gloss spray. Trying not to make a mess. Whoop. Okay, I'm going to shake it. I don't know where all this water's coming from. Okay, giving it a good shake. And I'm just going to hold it about 8 inches from the circle. And do a little spritz like that. And that's it. That's going to knock the sprayer so that it doesn't clog up. Okay, these are just going to sit aside for a while and dry. Put my box away again. Okay, so I started punching out all these die cuts here. And so let me just show you. These came on another die cut sheet. So it was a little, I have to tell you, it was a little confusing to me at first. Okay, so here we've got, this came like this on this sheet. So this is going to get the white daisy background. And this punch out thing is actually its own die cut. So you want to be careful with it. So I went ahead and started punching out the L and the E and this little piece here. And I'm going to go ahead and continue. So you can, I thought you needed to see what was going on with this. You can keep these letters if you want or toss them. That's up to you. It does say let's go though. Okay, and get the apostrophe out of here and this S. So let's see. And then we're also going to take this piece out. I have to say I had to work with this a little bit to just kind of see what was, how it worked. Okay, so this was in here with the L and E and apostrophe in Lagoon. So this gets taken out. And so does this extra piece. It'll make more sense once I get these pieces out. Okay, let me take out the O, but we want to keep this piece. So I'm going to set that aside and then remove the G carefully, and then this piece in between the G and the O. This will make sense shortly. Okay. Okay, so now we've got, let me just show you with the contrasting piece back here so you can kind of see what it looks. And here's another piece that needs to go. Okay, so see, that's what we've got here. Now I'm going to go ahead, that's just so you can see what we've got. I'm going to flip this over and start attaching the lagoon letters. So I think what I'm going to do is just run some tape runner along here and put the letters down. And you want to be real careful because they will show it's a pretty exact fit. So hopefully I'm doing this okay. So I want to get the letter lined up just right. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Okay, so see, this is how that's going to go. Okay. Now we're going to go for the T and the apostrophe. There we go. And there we go. Okay, I'm going to move this over a bit. And now we're going to do the S. Okay. Well, once again, got to be very exacting on how you're lining up. Well, notice that the project is upside down. Okay? It makes a difference. So if you have it so you can read project and it's right side up, nah, that was not perfect. Let me see what it looks like on the other side. It shows a little bit. It's not bad though. Whoops. Okay, and then we've got to do the go also. Use the back of some of these scraps here. Like I said, you want to try to do it pretty exacting. Okay, so, pardon me. Want to get the corners lined up. Those corners lined up. And then okay, and then the edge. Need to get the edge. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so we want to put this over that. Okay, so I'm gonna there's a little angle here and here that shows you where to put it. Okay, so now we've got our let's go, and you're going to be putting pictures here and behind the let's. And so let's go ahead, let's go, and attach. Isn't this interesting? Okay, so now we are going to attach this so there's about 1/4 of an inch all around in white daisy. So just about like that. Okay, now we've got I'm going to go ahead and put my half circle down, and it looks like it goes right under the go. And I'm going to run some Tombow along this long arrow. And we are going to come all the way almost to the very edge of the paper, just a little bit shy, to the top of the arrow, just like that. Okay, so now we need a palm tree. So look at this cute palm tree. These die cuts just are so fine. They're just really kind of amazing to me. Okay, so we're going to put this just kind of, right to the edge of the circle. So just like that. And then we've got, I bet you these are stickers. Let's see. We're looking for kind of this and this. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so these are going to be cut short. Okay, so let's see. That's going to go kind of like that. So it needs to be cut like right here. Like this. And then, whoops. Here's a little piece. I'll just stick that over here. And then this is going to go like right here. And so I am just going to cut it right along the line there. And just kind of go under the frond. And then we've got our two little pieces. Okay, so here's a picture, here's a picture, and here's a picture. Okay, now on to page 2. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'll show you what the second page looks like. So we're using this pretty piece of exclusive paper as the background. So this one is just all set to go as is. Okay, these are going to be where my pictures go. So we're going to attach A, B, and C, which are these. And this goes, you liked how I flipped over the white so I'd have white? Okay, so it's like 1 1/4 inches over from, oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to be 1 1/4 inches over. So here's so 1, 2 1/2 inch up from the bottom. So there's that one, and then a 4x4. There's like 1/8 of an inch in between the pictures, so that's going to be about like that. And about the same here. Okay, so this will show you, this is going to get a 4x4 going here, and then 2, 3, and 3x4s. Okay, so we're going to do, I'm just going to put these down so you can see what size picture goes here. So 3x4, 4x4, and 3x4. Okay, and then we're going to have our big circle that is going to go here. Okay, and I want some of my splashing to show. So there's more splashing over on this side. So I'm going to come down to the, let's see, about 3 lines down. So like right in here. And this one's going to go down here. I'm going to tuck it under a little bit, just so I can give a little bit of a slant to it. And this one goes under here also. About like that. So here we have a little beach lover. It's going to go here, and there should be a striped, here's the striped one right there. And this one is just a little bit shorter. I'm going to put it right up against the picture. And we've got a couple of starfish. I love these starfish, which are going to go down here. One here and one here. And then another small starfish is going to go up here. And let's see, we've got Wild and Free, which is this sticker. And that is going to go just like right in here. that. And then we've got some really cute, so there's like a little umbrella that's going to go up here, and a little sunbonnet that's going to go like under here. Darling little itty bitty starfish going there. Look at this sweet little horse, seahorse. Okay, and then we've got, here's a little journaling circle. So this is going to go kind of under here. So let's put the lines so that they're not all wonky. And some coral is going to go here, and a little, I think these are sundollars, is going to go down here. And we've got so we're going to use just a little dot, put him up there, another little dot. It's going to go right in here, and right there. Okay, are we missing anything? Okay, we've got starfish, we've got our little banners and our little beach lover, and our splatters are showing, so I think that is it. Okay, so, whoops, I thought I glued him. I did, I just moved before I should have. Okay, there we go. Got my poor starfish wonky. Okay, here we are. There we go. These colors look real bright and beachy to me. Okay. There we are. Come over just a tad. Okay. There we go. So here's page 2 here's project 2 of Cape Cod scrapbooking workshop. So it's all ready for your beach pictures. So bye now. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye now.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.